Ever wondered what a TFSA in Canada is? Well, let's shed some light on that. TFSA, or Tax-Free Savings Account, is a type of registered account in Canada. It's designed to help Canadians save money. And here's the best part. All the growth within it, from investments and capital gains to interest and dividends, is completely tax-free. That's right, you don't pay a cent of tax on the growth. Now that we have a basic understanding of what TFSA is, how can we use it effectively in 2024? Why should you consider having a TFSA? Well, let's dive into the benefits. First and foremost, the Tax-Free Savings Account, or TFSA, is just that, tax-free. This means any interest, dividends, or capital gains you earn within your TFSA are completely free from taxation, even upon withdrawal. This is a significant advantage over other savings vehicles where your gains are taxable. Additionally, the TFSA offers immense flexibility. Unlike other retirement-focused accounts, you can withdraw funds from your TFSA at any time, for any reason, without incurring penalties or losing contribution room. This makes it a versatile tool for all kinds of financial goals, whether it's saving for a new car, a dream vacation, or even a rainy day fund. Clearly, a TFSA provides several benefits, but how can we maximize these benefits? Stay tuned, we'll explore some tips and tricks in the next segment. Are you ready to make the most out of your TFSA in 2024? Let's dive into some tips and tricks that can help you maximize your tax-free savings account in the coming year. First off, start as early as possible. The sooner you start contributing to your TFSA, the more time your investment has to grow. Remember, the beauty of a TFSA is that the earnings from your investments are completely tax-free. So the earlier you start, the longer your money can grow and benefit from the magic of compounding. Next, aim to contribute the maximum amount to your TFSA each year. In 2024, the annual contribution limit is $6,000. If you can, try to contribute this full amount at the beginning of the year. This will allow your money to have the maximum amount of time to grow throughout the year. It's also crucial to diversify your investments within your TFSA. This can help to reduce risk and increase potential returns. Consider a mix of different assets such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. This can help you achieve a balanced portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance and investment objectives. Lastly, consider using your TFSA as an emergency fund. This might sound counterintuitive because you might think of an emergency fund as something you keep in a safe, easily accessible place like a savings account. But remember, you can withdraw money from your TFSA at any time without incurring taxes. So it can serve as an excellent place to stash your emergency fund. Remember, everyone's financial situation and goals are unique. So while these tips are generally beneficial, it's essential to tailor your approach to your specific needs and circumstances. By following these tips, you can ensure that you're making the most out of your TFSA. So go ahead and make 2024 a year of smart financial decisions. Let's recap what we've learned today. The Tax-Free Savings Account, or TFSA, is more than just a simple savings account. It's a versatile financial tool that Canadians can use to grow their wealth tax-free. It can hold a variety of investments, from mutual funds to bonds and even stocks. The benefits of a TFSA are considerable. Not only does it allow your investments to grow tax-free, but it also gives you the freedom to withdraw your money whenever you need it, without any tax penalties. This makes TFSA an excellent choice for both short-term and long-term financial goals. We've also highlighted some tips and tricks for maximizing your TFSA in 2024. Remember, it's important to contribute early and often. Take advantage of the carry-forward feature if you've missed any previous year's contributions, and diversify your investments within the account. It's also crucial to understand the difference between contribution room and withdrawal rules to avoid any unnecessary tax penalties. While the TFSA may seem complex, with a bit of knowledge and strategic planning, it can be an effective way to save and invest for your future. And, as always, it's wise to consult with a financial advisor to make sure you're making the most of your TFSA and other financial opportunities. With the right approach, your TFSA can be a powerful tool in your financial arsenal. Remember, the key to financial success is understanding your options and making informed decisions.